called the Matrice 4T.
Okay.
DJI, made by DJI. It's the top industrial drone used for mapping. A lot of people will use it for search and rescue, for public safety in general. Yes. Gotcha.